Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get overlays on Dress to Impress, or like how you can create one. I'm just going to change her hair color here as well as this because I want something a little bit brighter. Okay, so you're going to want to put in the code for this outfit. I actually don't remember what code this is, but you're just going to select that. I'll just do smooth for the texture, and maybe I'll select a cute pattern for it, because why not? Well, I mean, that pattern was cute, but let me see if there's... Okay, let's do this one. Then we're going to select these jeans. I'll just color it like this. And, oh, actually, I'm just going to use the texture on these jeans. It's still loading. I'll just use this one. Or maybe this one. There was like one, I think there was one more. Yeah, okay, maybe this one. Okay, so I'm just going to also use these. And I'm going to color it the same. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to select these ones. And you're going to color it again the same as your jeans. And I'm just going to remove gem here. It's not perfect. You can see some imperfections, but it does the job. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.